Hello and welcome to Mojo for Industry from XCon 2025 in Bangalore. And right now we are inside the Accent Packed Fine Equipments booth. Today we are taking you on an exclusive product walkthrough showcasing their advanced technologies and productivity boosting solutions for the construction and mining industry. If you want to see what's new, what's powerful, and what's built for the future, you are in the right place. Let's begin the tour.
My name is Avdesh Kumar. Come and I show you that what we are going to launch today. ये मेरा 18 टन का क्रेन है जो इंडिया मार्केट में एक तरह से ये मॉडल हमने इंट्रोड्यूस किया है। मार्केट में अभी 17 टन आ रहा था तो हम 1 टन इसको ऊपर लेके गए हैं। इस मशीन में एज ए स्टैंडर्ड हमने 12-20 के टायर यूज़ किए हैं, जो कि मार्केट में लोग जनरली 11 के टायर यूज़ करते हैं। हमने इसको 12-20 के टायर यूज़ किए हैं। इस मशीन में हमने इसको आउट ट्रिगर्स के साथ में हम लेके आए हैं, जिससे एक्स्ट्रा सेफ्टी रहती है ऑपरेटर के लिए। ये जो मशीन है इनमें सबसे ज़्यादा हमने सबसे पहले जो कि सबसे कीमती होता है इसमें ऑपरेटर, तो ऑपरेटर का कंफर्ट का हमने इस मशीन में सबसे ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया है। तो मैंने आपको जैसा बताया कि इसका जो सीट है वो डायरेक्ट सीट हमने इसमें डाल के दिया ना, विद हेडरेस्ट डाल के दिया है। इसके बाद में इसमें बहुत ईजी शिफ्ट गियर है, एक तरह से जैसे कार का गियर रिवर्स शिफ्ट होता है उसी उतने ही लोड पे ये चलता है। पेनोमेटिक हमने इसमें क्लच डाला है। इट्स ए वेरी ईजी टू ऑपरेट। एक्चुअली बहुत हल्के लोड से भी क्लच का काम करेगा। इस मशीन का जो टॉप हाइट है वो 62 फीट तक जाता है। तो ये भी एक तरह से सेगमेंट में एट पार टू इंडस्ट्री है। मशीन में हमने पूरा टायर गार्ड वगैरह दिए हैं फॉर अवॉइड एनी दैट एक्सीडेंट एनी थिंग्स। 4 व्हील ड्राइव मशीन है ये, 4x4 मशीन काम करता है, क्योंकि इस मशीन को कच्चे पक्के सभी जगह पे चलना होता है, लोड लेके चलना होता है। ये बहुत बैलेंस मशीन है। 40 किलोमीटर्स एंड अब इसका रोड स्पीड है मशीन का। हमने इस मशीन में वॉल्वो आइसर का इंजन यूज़ किया है, टॉप गियर का इजी भी यूज़ किया है। वॉल्वो आइसर के हमने इसमें एक्सल यूज़ किए हैं। जनरली ये सारे पैरामीटर्स के ऊपर बहुत कम कंपनी है कि जो सारा उतना स्टैंडर्ड का कंपोनेंट्स यूज़ करते हैं। लोग कहीं ना कहीं पे कंप्रोमाइज़ कर ही जाते हैं, बट हमने इसमें कभी कोई कंप्रोमाइज़ नहीं किया है। इसमें हमने हैवी ड्यूटी विंच लगाया है, 3.5 टन का विंच है ये ब्यूटीफुल मेरा फाइन का लोगो है ना। तो मैं उम्मीद कर रहा हूँ कि जो मेरा आज से मेरा लॉन्चिंग है, जो अगले साल मैं इंडस्ट्री में मेरी कंपनी एक अच्छे लेवल पे एक अच्छे वॉल्यूम पे रहेगी।
Good afternoon. I am Anish Modak. Now let me take through the fine motor graders. We have 2 variants of motor graders which are recently done. This is a 9-ton FMG 585 HD and this is a 15.6 ton FMG 985 HD. Both the machines are built keeping in mind productivity, reliability and serviceability, which is very important for the customers. These machines are widely used in various applications, like you will see the 985 used in mining and roads. You will see the 585 used in the smaller segment of roads and general applications. Both the machines are made with state-of-the-art components that we have. Let me take you through the 985 quickly. Let's take the powertrain. The powertrain is supported with a Cummins engine, which is a state-of-art engine. And the engine is then supported with a transmission, which is a ZF6WG160 transmission, which is a state-of-art fully automatic transmission. The machine has got features which are enhance the operator efficiency and which are also enhancing the safety features. Like you have a steering accumulator, you have a brake accumulator, and you have a state-of-art cabin. The operator efficiency increases due to the pilot operations. So the pilot control adds to operator efficiency because he can see better visibility and very easy controls that he has to manage. Let me bring you the 585. One of the only 9-ton machine, 9-ton category grader which is having a tandem axle. A tandem axle promises you a very nice rolling forces, very nice cutting forces. This machine is having components like the Leyland engine. It has the NAF German axles. It has got the Avtec transmission. The machine gives you a very nice operator comfort in terms of pilot lever operations. It adds to operator efficiency, again in terms of visibility and in terms of productivity. You have the machine equipped with all features which are like articulation. You have the drawbar, you have the turn circle, which are not seen in most of the 9-ton graders.
My name is Dheeraj Deshmukh. So this is a fully hydraulic walk-behind roller introduced in fine equipment. It has an inbuilt Kohler diesel engine, 7.5 kilowatt. And the diesel consumption for this machine will be 1 liter per hour. It is a fully hydraulic. It has a hydraulic system of PWG. We are importing this from Italy, and this is a double drum compaction roller. The drum width is 650 mm, and we have introduced a new system, that is a LED light for the night vision work purpose. It is a simple but dedicatedly compact machine for compaction. It has a compaction up to 2.5 ton vibration, and it is easy to transport as well as easy to handle or operate. So every function is given at the operator's hand. So forward reverse, then LED, vibration mode, and engine stop with emergency stop. Everything is mentioned in the operator's hand. So I would request you to go ahead and purchase for the small segment but a powerful and compact machine. It's a fine FIV 6500, a walk behind roll.
My name is Jitendra Kumar. This is our FM38 machine. Okay, this is 3.8 ton class mini excavator. If I talk about this mini excavator, special features we have added. Likewise, if I talk about, this is an AC cabin machine. If you'll see, we have designed this cabin with ROP and FOP system, and this seat we have designed to give the maximum comfort to the operator that he can work for long time. 350 mm track shoe width, okay, that is maximum, and which will give a very good stability for mini excavator while at the actual operation site. This is with Kubota engine we have designed it. The bucket capacity of this machine is 0.12 cubic meter. This is again the highest available in Indian market in this size of machine. This is our export version machine. This we have newly launched. This is our FM38 HD version machine. This is again with Yanmar engine we have introduced in India, and this is for our export purpose. This is with 0.11 cubic meter of bucket. We have added this breaker pipeline kit, attachment pipeline kit already mounted in this machine. This is our FM20 machine. This is very compact machine, and this machine we have designed for to do precise kind of digging job where perfection is required. This machine is equipped with Kubota engine, 19 HP, and the bucket size is 0.07 cubic meter. You can see this machine is designed where this track can also be adjusted. The overall width of the machine is 1300 mm, but you can further reduce it to 990 mm. This machine is actually a fully zero-tail machine. So whenever operator is operating the machine, he need not to worry about the rear portion of the machine. And the bucket size again given in this machine is 0.07 cubic meter. This is again highest bucket in this size of machine. So these machines are basically used for cable laying, pipeline job, different urban construction sites, municipal corporation job, and many more. That wraps our product walkthrough from the Fine Equipments booth here at XCon 2025. Fine Equipments is clearly pushing the bar higher for the industry.